Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to verify Discord account. Start by opening the Discord app on your PC or on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account that you want to verify. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the section called You. This will take you to your personal profile area. Now focus on the top right corner of the screen. You will see a small settings icon. Tap on that icon to open your account settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll a little until you find the option labeled Account. Tap on it to continue. In the Account section, you may see a message that says you need to verify your account and keep your current username. Next to this message, there will be a button that says Verify. Tap on the Verify button. After you tap it, Discord will send a verification message to your registered email address. This can be either a code or a direct verification link. Now leave the Discord app and open your email inbox. Look for the message sent by Discord. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder. Once you complete this step, your Discord account will be verified. Thanks for watching.